competition is heating up as Gogos and their support squads compete for the Taste the Memories crown and their share of 150,000 rands in prizes. Welcome to a city of charm and dignity. It's home to delicious dining, iconic architecture, and symbols of momentous moments. Pietermaritzburg.
I'm Chaka, and I am super excited to be your host for the next episode of Gogo vs. Gogo right here in my hometown. The City Hall, the largest red brick building of Victorian architecture in the Southern Hemisphere.
Like the larger-than-life architecture, we're looking for iconic standout flavors.
And today's cook-off challenge, it's cooking for a crowd on a tight budget. It's going to be great. Let's go. Right now, we're off to our cook-off location, but before we get there, I just got to apply some stuff first. It's SP50, baba. Pietermaritzburg has dry winters and sometimes it can get really hot with frequent rainfall. We can literally experience 4 seasons in one day here. So I got to make sure I've got everything I need.
Adverse weather could be very challenging for our two Gogos who are competing in an outdoor cook-off to stand a chance to win their share in 150,000 rands of prizes. Now, let's meet the contestants.
Gogo Thoko coming in for the interview.
Gogo, how do you feel about being here today?
Hey, I'm so happy. I'm over the moon. I'm so happy. Didn't know that God loves me so much.
Tando, tell us why you nominated Gogo Thoko.
Yeah, Gogo is a great cook. Gogo has been cooking for years, doing catering, free by the way. But she'll continue doing it for the community. Also, with my friends, they'll just say, "Itombolo bafethu, itombolo." That's it. With Gogo and itombolo nga Gogo, that's the best.
There's something special about Lily Dombol.
Yes, itombolo and curry.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah. And you know, food, it brings the family together.
Do you guys have a memory that you brought with you guys along today to remind you of Rainbow?
I have one of the photos that inspired me to cook. This is me. This is the chef. This lady, hey, she cooked nice curries and I learned from her. So I started the love of cooking.
Just a reminder, guys, of what's at stake for this Gogo versus Gogo cook-off. There's 150,000 rands worth of prizes. 130,000 rand for the winner and 20,000 rand for the runner-up. One of the prizes actually is 15,000 rand. What would you do with 15,000 rand in cash?
We're gonna open a brand called Vuma Vuma.
Vuma Vuma, that's my recipe. Yeah, I mixed my spices. Yeah, I've got my special one.
Stand by. Please bring in team Gogo Penny.
Kendall, tell us why you've nominated Gogo Penny today.
Okay, my granny has been the family's anchor for as long as I can remember. She is the best cook, hands down, and her homemade meals are a gateway to some of our fondest childhood memories.
Gogo Penny, what does it feel like hearing that coming from your granddaughter?
I'm proud of her. It actually encourages me, and I feel, yes, I'll go on cooking. I'm excited if my granddaughter, and I wish she would cook like me one day.
Tell us, did you bring a memory with you guys today?
Yes, we did. We brought a wooden spoon. This wooden spoon has been used from generation to generation. It's been passed down. I'm hoping it gets to me one day.
My mother started cooking with the spoon. She passed on, and it went on from one generation to another. And we are still using the spoon up till today. This is really a big memory, and there's something very special about it.
Will you be cooking with the spoon today?
Yes, definitely. I'm going to cook with the wooden spoon.
What would you do with 15,000 rand cash?
I will spoil myself a little bit. I buy food because there's always people asking, and I'll make sure I have. The house has always got food. And when people come asking, there's always something to give. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
The challenge today involves cooking for a crowd. Each team must prepare a main course containing dumplings to feed a group of 8 hungry people using our budget-friendly Rainbow Fresh chicken. Each team has a spend limit of 400 Rand and they only have 60 minutes to cook. Team Gogo Penny, Team Gogo Mam Thoko. You have 10 minutes to shop. Your time starts now.
Kilo carrots, red, yeah. Tomato, ginger, purple onion. Kilo, where's the carrots? Oh, they're in the bag, in the trolley. I'm nervous. Curry powder. 10 Rand. Tomatoes. That side. Kilo, which one is this one? Take for exactly 400 Rand. Please. Run. Yes.
Right, yes.
Where's the 400 Rand? Oh, it's here. Okay. Where's the 400 Rand?
Stick us to the budget.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Come, Kimbo. Where's the chicken?
Down here.
Come, Kimbo. 4,000.
I have everything now. Let's go and pay.
Okay, let's go and pay.
Are you ready? And the 60-minute countdown is just about to begin. Ready, set, make rainbow memories! Go! Now it's game on.
Let's have a full. My peppers up. Quick.
Yeah, put it in the middle. Yeah, leave it like that.
Tell me, Kendall, while Gogo's busy there, what's the plan for today? What are you guys making?
We are making chicken curry with a very different salad.
Okay.
And we have beetroot on the side as well as rotis.
Tell me what's going to make your chicken curry different.
My chicken curry will be different from anybody else's because I'm using biryani dal with it.
Okay. So what does biryani dal do?
It cooks in the chicken with the chicken, and as it's cooking, it becomes thick. You know, a gravy-ish, and it softens the chicken, and that's what you call Dalgo's curry. Hello.
How's it going?
Yeah, it's going
Lovely.
Yes, Ale.
Okay. It's in the plan. What's the plan here?
The plan here, I'm making chicken curry with ujeka.
Okay.
The sides, it's going to be butter beans, the salad, Greek salad, yeah, and beetroot.
Gogo, tell me what's going to make your dish different?
From everybody's, it's because of the mixed spices that I put in them and the love that I give to my food. I cook with love.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Woo! Things are heating up. The weather's changing. I told you guys, PMB, 4 seasons in one day. Now, Gogo Togo,
Yes.
Gogo Penny, I'd like you guys to please join me over there. Kendall and Tando, you'll hold down the fort. It's the Rainbow Potluck Challenge. What we have here are some prizes. These prizes can be a disadvantage or an advantage. So I'll read them out to you guys. One is make a memory with your competitor and stand a chance to win. So it can be a selfie, you can jive, okay, with your competitor and stand a chance to win. There's a Gogo break time. Gogo break time means Gogo takes 15 minutes off the challenge and gets herself a cup of tea and rests while the nominator continues to cook. There's win 5 extra points. There is a 2,500 Rand instant voucher and there's a 250 Rand super save voucher. Gogo Togo, we'll start with you. So what I would like you to do, you're going to put your hand in here, mix, feel it. Take it, close your eyes, and keep it.
Okay.
And then we'll go to Gogo Penny. Gogo Penny? Keep it on the chest, keep it on the chest. Gogo Togo, show us what you have. It's a 250 Rand super voucher! Lovely. Gogo Thoko, you have a 250 Rand Super Save voucher. Lovely. Beautiful. Okay. Gogo Penny.
2,000 baht.
Congratulations, guys! That's amazing. Well done. Okay, guys, you have 5 minutes to go.
Put the pot lower. Let me taste it. Okay, let me taste it. Am I gonna burn?
Blow it.
Okay.
Have the curry.
30 seconds to go, guys. 30 seconds to go. Hey, guys, you got 30 seconds here. Keep it going. Keep it calm, cool, and collected. "20 seconds to go, guys. There are 20 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Today, each judge will score each of the dishes out of 10 points. The judging criteria is taste, heritage flavors, creativity, ingenuity, as well as presentation. At the end of the series, the two Gogos with the most points out of a possible 30 points will make it to the finale.
Phew, guys, weather, it's brought a big challenge to the cooking competition, but luckily everyone has finished on time. I'd like to introduce my panel of judges today. Judge Judy in the middle. We've got Pinky, who works at Super Save, and we have Yasira, who is a randomly selected shopper from Super Save. Ladies, I hope you guys are ready. We are about to taste our first dish. Right, guys, so we're starting off with Gogo Penny's plate. Let's dig in.
This meal reminds me of my childhood. It is tasty.
What are your thoughts on the dumpling, guys?
It's slightly dense.
We are finished with Gogo Penny's plate. We are now bringing on Gogo Thoko's plate. Ladies, we've got Gogo's Thoko's plate in front of you. Let's dig in.
Thoko was very creative. She went all out.
The presentation of Alexa's bowl is actually really creative.
It says eat me now.
That's the healthiness of it.
Pinky, can you comment about the flavor, please?
The flavor, it's good. It's cool. You know, when you need a food, like cool food, this is the food you must eat.
Judge Judy?
It's a hot meal with veggies in it. You'd want to eat it on a day like this.
Soul food, food for the soul.
Comfort food.
Can we talk about the steam bread that's been displayed here by Gogo Thoko?
For me, I felt it was a little too dry compared to the other one. But when you mix it with the chutney or with the gravy, it actually balances out.
On the soup.
Yeah, it balances out, so it's like the perfect dumpling in that moment.
Creativity?
The salad stands out, huh? I mean, she was really creative in creating a so-called ramekin with the lettuce leaf. That was very good thought.
The judges have deliberated. It's time to read the results. And the scores are so close. Please remember that your score that you received today is not a reflection of your competition being finished, because there are still other scores and there is a Gogo versus Gogo leaderboard. Can we please start with Gogo Penny? Make some noise for Gogo Penny, guys.
Gogo Penny, it was a lovely dish. It took me back to my childhood. And flavor, you nailed it.
Thoko.
Gogo tea. Creativity. You hit that out. You went all out. A beautiful plate.
Okay, lovely. Can I please have both of you step forward? Gogo Thoko, starting with you. You have scored a total of 23 out of 30 points. Gogo Penny, you have scored a total of 25. But the flavor finding doesn't stop here. Kabeja, we're coming to you next. There's going to be a few exciting pit stops along the way, so follow the memories on our social media pages to stay with the action.
Taste the memories, Rainbow Chicken.